Hey. Oh yeah, that's your breakfast. You want that, Jilana? Yeah, do you like that for your breakfast? Are you gonna eat it? Are you gonna eat that? Oh, are you gonna eat it? Are we gonna, can we go around, Han? Like, I thought we're gonna go around here. We can go around there. So we can walk. It's our walk for the day. Oh, Jilana, candy.
No, Teddy.
No candy? Wow. Oh, oh, there's Harry Potter. Oh, this one, I like this one.
You want it? You want it?
No, thank you. What's that? Let me see that one, Jolene. You hold it for me. Mr. Beast, again. Show it again. You're so fast. I haven't not. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh. Let me see, Jilana. Okay, let's go. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, there's nerds. Starburst, candy. Kunin mo na yan kung kunin mo. Hey, Emily. No, Jilana, no toy? Jilana, no toy? No toy? Oh, wow. Is that healthy for you?
Yeah, happy. It's me.
That's grandma. That's grandma, anak.
No, you have goldfish. Just let me park this. Oh, you got it. Good, good.
When you have your operation, that's what you're gonna get, this one. If that is gonna buy you ice popsicle. Gusto nila mag-shopping sa tatay nila eh. Oh wow, Jilana, look. Lots of Kinder Joy. Oh, maybe they're on sale. No, Daddy said no. Hindi sila nakabili.
Dad.
Oh, dito na tayo ni maghintay. What's that, Julene? What happened?
I only eat otter pops when I get my operation. Joanna's like, that's no fair. I'm like, well, I'm getting an operation.
Yeah.
And she's like, I'm like, do you want an operation? She's like, no.
Okay.
But I'm not getting
Yung tonsil niya, alisin. Para hindi na siya mag-ano, burok. Wow. You guys a good shopper, huh? You guys are